Hello friends. Today I'll show you how to get this one from such a sound. The main plugin is the triangular waveform Reasynth plugin. In front of it we add MIDI modal randomness, which, in accordance with the key, gives us a third, a fifth, and an augmented fifth. Everything goes further in delay. And then to tremolator. The next sound we have is ambient. Here, in fact, everything is the same, only slightly different settings. Here we use a square waveform, very floating atmospheric delay, and a tremolator which produces slow pulsing sounds. And the most beautiful sound is a melody. All the same settings, but here I add MIDI choke, which adds long notes. That's all. Here's what I got in my version.